Vancouver Island, BC. Doing some metal detector with the Vanquish 540. Let's see what we can find here today. I'm in all metal mode right now. The Vanquish 540. Just get a lot of iron hits from these rocks. Let's see what's going on here. Just rocks. If I could get onto a good hit, I'll turn this camera back on. Down there, we'll see. Oh, maybe we do have some. Let's see. This pinpointer, the Minelab Pro 15, is very temperamental. Doesn't always want to work when you turn it on. You gotta hold down the button until you hear another beep. One of these bars. I found one a while back. Could be zinc, lead, silver. It's got weight to it. Pretty cool. I'm getting into a bit of a signal here. Make sure it's not one of these rocks. These rocks are full of minerals. Let's see what this is. What do we got here? Some copper. I'll have to clean it up. Could just be junk. I'll take a better look at it later. It looks like just some junk. There we go. It's gonna be a rusted coin. Rusted quarter. Looks like Canadian clad. It's all steel with just a shiny outer coating. Make it look nice. That's why they're magnetic. see for sure. I'll clean that up later, and it looks like a Canadian. We'll find out for sure. That's just some rust. Yeah, where it's corroding. All right, well, at least we're finding something, right? Just have to continue on.
A penny. We are rich, people.
We are rich. But you know what? When it comes to metal detecting, something is better than nothing. Yeah, it's out. It's out of the hole. It's in here somewhere. Narrow in on it a little bit more. There she is. Very beaten up nickel, looks like. Have to get a better look at it later. See if that did it. Still in there. And I got the tide coming in. You can see the water here. I think it's out of the hole now. Yeah. A shell casing. Wow, looks like to a rifle. Have to take a look at that one later. And the primer, looks like the primer has been hit. Whatever it is, it's out. Showing a 39 out.